Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. This particular vehicle was driving down the highway and was in a construction area, and one of those big orange construction cones got sucked out into their path with no way to avoid it, and it smashed their headlight assembly. You know, normally in the past this wouldn't be that big of a repair, but on this particular vehicle we actually have to remove the entire front bumper assembly to be able to get access to the bolts to replace this headlight assembly. Not only are these newer LED, HID headlight assemblies expensive, they are becoming more difficult to replace. However, at 3D Auto Repair, we're not afraid to take that on. We went ahead and pulled the bumper cover off, swapped out the headlight assembly, got the headlight back up and running so that they would have no problem driving the vehicle at night. If you do find yourself in a position where your headlights aren't working correctly, or maybe they don't seem like they're as bright as they used to be, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to talk about that with you, perhaps take a look at the vehicle, make some recommendations on replacement or possible upgrades on your headlights. So if you need some headlight upgrades, please feel free to give us a call. We'd look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.